Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics BE380T Earphone with mic. There is a transparent window over here that gives you a glimpse of what this earphone is supposed to look like. So this is the module of this particular earphone, the Bluetooth module, the wireless module, and the rest you can see there are a lot of cables and documents. There's a picture of Hrithik Roshan as well. Let's quickly take a look at other specifications. This particular earphone has playback time of 3 to 4 hours. Charging time of 1 to 2 hours, talk time of 3 to 4 hours, and a standby time of 10 hours. It also have a driver, a 10mm audio driver in it. And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. Okay, before that, I would like to just point a couple of other specifications. This has wireless Bluetooth services on it, also supports dual pairing, has full charge indication, has call functions. It also comes with metallic ear cups and media volume control as well. So let's open this box now and take a look inside. It's a document, some paraphernalias. There is a headphone right over here. And this is the wireless module. Let's see. So this is the packing content. There's a earphone, a controller, a charging cable, 2 earbuds, and user manual. This is the user manual, of course. So you should read it at least once. What do we have here? Here we have, okay, so there are like 2 extra pairs of silicone tips here over here. I'm going to keep them back in the packet so that I don't lose them. They came loose. This is a micro USB charging cable for when you want to charge this. This also comes with flat TPE wire. This is a nice touch, which means that you will not tangle them easily. And this is the earphone this is the ZBE380T earphone. Okay, let's quickly take a look at this. There you go. This is not the longest of cables, but it's pretty standard size. And over here you have a gold-plated 3.5mm jack. The nozzles over here are angular and have a matte black finish. Okay, there you can see. And that's more or less it. This is for the earphones. And this is the controller or the wireless module. There is a micro USB charging port over here. And there's a call receiver and volume rockers over here as well. These are, I believe, are the LED charging indicators. You'll have to check. And it also has a clip for when you want to put it in your pocket or you don't want to lose it so it doesn't fall or anything like that. And finally, we have the Zebronics logo right over here. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics BE380T earphone with mic. Thank you for watching.